Welcome to our latest video, Are electric cars the silver bullet? Exploring their true carbon footprint. As the world moves towards renewable energy, electric vehicles are often hailed as the future of transportation. But how green are they really? Do they truly offer a viable solution to reducing greenhouse gas emissions, or is it all just a smokescreen? Join us as we delve into the nitty-gritty of electric vehicles and their impact on our planet. 1. The electric car debate. Introduction. Electric cars have sparked a heated debate in recent years. Many believe they are the answer to our environmental woes, a silver bullet for the looming climate crisis. But is that really the case? As more and more gleaming electric vehicles hit the streets, it's important to understand the broader picture. While these cars are often touted as green solutions, it's vital to analyze their entire life cycle. This includes their production, usage, and end-of-life processes, which together define their true carbon footprint. Let's delve deeper into this electrifying journey. 2. Production myths and realities. The production of electric cars isn't as straightforward as it seems. Cranking up the green credentials usually focuses on their zero tailpipe emissions. But look under the hood, and you'll see a complex manufacturing process. The extraction and processing of lithium, cobalt, and nickel, key battery ingredients, require significant energy and resources. This mining isn't just carbon intensive, it often triggers ethical concerns, particularly in areas with lax environmental regulations. Furthermore, battery production is concentrated in nations that rely heavily on coal power, complicating the environmental equation. 3. The role of electricity, clean or dirty. Electric cars are only as clean as the electricity that powers them. Imagine driving an electric car in a region where the grid is predominantly fueled by coal. The environmental benefit diminishes significantly. Renewable energy adoption is uneven globally, so the true emissions from electric vehicles vary. As countries gradually shift towards greener grids, the potential of electric cars to be part of a cleaner future becomes more feasible. Still, for now, it's a mixed bag depending heavily on geographic location. 4. Batteries. Powerhouses or environmental liabilities. Batteries are the heart of electric vehicles, but they also present significant challenges. Beyond the energy-intensive production, they have a finite lifespan. A typical electric car battery lasts about 8–15 years, after which its disposal, or recycling, becomes critical. Recycling technology, although improving, is not yet perfect, and many batteries end up in landfills. This sparks concerns about the leaching of toxic materials into the environment. Moreover, the potential of reused electrical batteries in other applications, like grid storage, is still developing. 5. Usage and emission. The new paradigm driving an electric car produces no tailpipe emissions. You won't see that whiff of smoke in the rearview. This contrasts starkly with internal combustion engines, which emit greenhouse gases continually. Over a vehicle's lifetime, electric cars triumph in emissions in areas with clean electricity. The efficiency of electric motors means less energy wasted in heat, making daily driving cleaner and more efficient. But how we generate and store electricity remains the linchpin. If primarily fossil fuel-based, the benefits diminish. 6. Infrastructure and accessibility. An emerging landscape. The electric revolution demands a robust infrastructure. Charging stations become our new gas stations, and their availability varies wildly. Urban centers are often better equipped than rural areas, leading to disparities in electric mobility. Developing countries, especially, face challenges in making their infrastructure electric-ready. Ensuring an equitable shift is crucial for a sustainable future. On the social level, providing incentives and subsidies can drive changes but must be managed carefully to be truly effective and not increase dependency. 7. Policy and innovation. Driving change. Innovation in electric vehicles doesn't stop at the consumer experience. Policymaking plays a monumental role in shaping how accessible and ecological these vehicles become. Regulation could enforce greener production processes or promote grid greening initiatives. Significant investments in research can also speed up advancements in battery life and recyclability. With auto manufacturers, governments, and innovators working in tandem, electric vehicles could become a hallmark of a sustainable future. But this outcome is uncertain, requiring a balanced and collaborative effort. 8. The future of electric mobility. Closing thoughts: electric cars promise much but come with their share of challenges. They've put us on the path towards greener transportation, exemplifying the optimism of technological advancements. Yet, the journey is complex, involving multiple actors and factors. Their true effectiveness depends largely on broader systemic changes in energy production and consumption. As technology evolves, these cars could indeed become the silver bullet. However, without broader ecological and social consideration, they remain a singular part of a larger puzzle.